Okay, what we got here is ping pong ball. Full gunpowder. And what we got here is bottle. Full gunpowder.
Is that an aspirin bottle?
No, it's a wine bottle for my wine.
That ain't
making.
wine.
It's yeast energizer.
Oh.
It's for my wine. It makes the wine better. Enough about the wine. We're gonna blow something up, okay? That's all you need to know.
Are you gonna stay that close?
No, I'm not gonna stay this close. I'm just getting a close up of the bomb.
You got a lighter?
Shit, I do got the lighter. Let me get the lighter out. Here's the
you see
lighter. Yeah, I can see you. You see me? We're gonna light this bitch. That was it. The wick fell in.
Okay.
We're dead.
Oh.
Ass thing to do.
Here we go.
Holy! Oh shit! Oh shit! Run! Get the fuck out! Oh shit! Oh shit!